Story 34. One of the sons of Harun Rashid went to his father and angrily informed him that the son of an official had used insulting expressions towards him, whereon Harun asked his courtiers what requital he deserved. One of them proposed capital punishment, another the amputation of the tongue, whilst the third recommended fine and imprisonment. Then Harun said, "O my son, it would be generous to pardon him, but if thou art unable to do so, use likewise insulting expressions concerning his mother." Well, in Islam, one's not supposed to do this thing where you insult people's parents or family members or spouse or stuff like this. It's not right, and it often ends up in slander, and yeah, no. Not, however, to such a degree as to exceed the bounds of vengeance, because in that case, the wrong will be on thy side. So that's a warning about revenge right there. Is, he is not reputed a man by the wise, who contends with a furious elephant, but he is a man in reality, who when angry speaks not of idle words. An ill-humored fellow insulted a man, who patiently bore it, saying, "O hopeful youth, I am worse than thou speakest of me, for I am more conscious of my faults than thou."